on Labor Day.
You mean Memorial Day?
Memorial Day. Like, I'm talking like 50% off and stuff.
Come on, Betty, roll over.
So, like, it would be a lot better for them.
Okay. Is that good? Ah, darn it. Keep going. You'll get it. There you go. You want the phone? Here, B. Oh, shoot. It's turned off, I think.
I was talking to